In this quick video, we will see how to install Pretty Links plugin on your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so first of all, we need to log in to the WordPress dashboard. And then we go to plugins and add new. We type here Pretty Links. And you see this is short links by Pretty Links, Blair Williams. You click on install. Now we activate it. It's done. We can start using Pretty Links. You see here Pretty Links. See the options, add new categories. These are for pro version of the software, of the plugin. Tags, clicks, reports, tools, options, import, export. You can see what options we have here. You see redirection, reporting, all of this. You can start using it by adding links. I hope this helps. Thanks.